Literally millions of people in the US suffer from type 2 diabetes. There may be help locally with a natural approach that can help lower and stabilize blood sugar levels, help a person lose weight, and in some cases, even help them get off their medications. Dr. Shai Shani is here to talk about how he completely transforms the lives of type 2 diabetics in his clinic right here in Los Angeles. Dr. Shani, why do you find that diabetics come to see you for help?
Well, mostly out of frustration of the current medical model for the treatment of diabetes. The approach now seems to be a one-size-fits-all for all type 2 diabetics, and they're finding that even though they walk the walk with oral medications and diet and exercise, they're still getting sicker and sicker every year, and the dosage of medication typically increases. I also believe they come to see me because they're fearful of the devastating effects of the disease, like heart disease, kidney failure, loss of limbs, blindness, and they simply want to do something about it.
How is your approach different?
After I run and analyze comprehensive tests, I'm able to customize a treatment plan for their individual needs. Type 2 diabetics are not the same, and their treatment must be customized to them.
Well, I know you have very strict standards in who you accept into your practice. Could you tell us how patients qualify for your care?
Sure. I first want to make it clear that this is not a standalone treatment. If you're going against your doctor's recommendations and you're not taking prescription medication, or if you do not have a doctor overseeing the disease, then you'll simply not be considered for this program.
Excellent. Well, thank you for your time, Dr. Shani. If you'd like to find out if you qualify for a type 2 diabetic evaluation with Dr. Shai Shani, please call 805-494-9977. The first 20 viewers to call will receive a complimentary consultation, which is a $245 value.
My name is Doug Triplet, as if you had 3 kids, Triplet. I'm 69 years old. I came to Dr. Shani 3 months ago because my blood sugar, my average blood sugar was about 200 consistently, and I felt terrible. My blood, he took initially a blood test, saliva test, hormone test, stool samples, and he sent these to a lab. And then after a while, he got all the results back, and he laid out an exact program of where my hormones were, tests that I had never had before, what my adrenal glands were doing, what my kidneys were doing, what my pancreas was doing, and put me on a protocol of medication and told me how to eat. I started in July. It's now October 2nd. And my blood sugars now are below 100 on a consistent level. My triglycerides were perfect. And Dr. Shani said he wished he had my results for my overall cholesterol is now out of the range of danger for a heart attack. My A1C was 8.5. That's a measure of a 90-day sugar level. That went down to 7.4. And according to my cardiologist several days ago, my blood test, it was 6.7, so that's going down. My cholesterol panel was perfect. So I'm continuing on the program with Dr. Shani. My weight was about 180. It is now, this morning was 158. I believe I'm going to stop there, but he's taught me how to eat. I eat totally different than I ate before. But it's only through Dr. Shani that I learned how to eat. Had I not come in and met him, I probably would have fallen over. I don't know, but it's my total credit to him and to his organization. So I would highly recommend anyone worried about their blood sugar, if you have diabetes, if you're overweight, to let Dr. Shani help you. Okay, this is Doug Triplet. I'm signing off.
I'm Mary. And I'd like to tell you about this program that I found, this doctor that I found. I was scanning through my paper one day, and I saw this advertisement about reverse diabetes. And I called Dr. Shani and made an appointment, got my neighbor, we both came out for an interview, and I am so happy that I met Dr. Shani. I've been in this program approximately 4 months, and I feel maybe 10, 15 years younger. I have so much energy since I've been in the program. I've lost approximately 15 to 18 pounds. And I'm eating well. I eat the right foods, and I find that eating properly, I will be living longer. And I'm happy and healthier. I've reduced my medication. I'm only taking 2 medicines now. And before I was taking about 5 different diabetic medicines, maybe 6. And now I'm down to 2. I take my high blood pressure medicine occasionally. But since I got off of that medicine, I don't have the bloat, the stress, the agony of drowsiness. I feel so energetic, and I'm happy.
Yes, hi, my name is Fernando Marroquin. I started this program back in September 19 of 2009. I have seen a remarkable difference in both my energy level and the reduction of my medications that I've been taking, and the drop of sugar levels. For example, my blood sugar levels have gone from the 300s down to 80, 100, and 120. My medication intake for insulin, I have gone from 24 to 26 units of insulin down to 5 units of insulin. That is in a period of 4 months. My A1C levels went from a 10.1 to a 6.1 since September 19th. So I have seen a big difference. My energy level has also increased significantly since I started this program. I feel good. I have much higher energy levels. I'm doing more. The other big difference that I noticed was my blood circulation to my feet. There has been a large difference. I have more feelings in my feet, my toes, and so forth. So I feel very good. I'm extremely happy with the results that I've gotten with the program that I enrolled back in September 19. And I encourage anybody that has diabetes or diabetes-associated symptoms to come and talk to Dr. Shani. It's an excellent program. It's worth every penny. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Ed Bates. I'm a patient of Dr. Shani, and I have been for almost 4 months now. Before I came to Dr. Shani, I felt like my diabetes was pretty much out of control. The numbers in the morning and the numbers in the evening were they were scary. And my weight was going up, and I was taking more insulin, and my doctors told me that was the solution to take more insulin. So I saw Dr. Shani's ad in the paper, and I came to him, and it's the greatest thing that could ever have happened to me in terms of my diabetes, because it's kind of revolutionized my life. And Dr. Shani's taught me how to eat and what to eat. And that's not to say that I don't have little breakdowns along the way, but at least I'm on the right track, and my diabetes numbers now are definitely under control, and I feel so much better about myself. I've lost about 18 pounds, and I've lost 2 inches around my waist, and I'm starting to exercise and doing all the things that you're supposed to do and that you can do on your own, but it's much easier if you're involved with a professional like Dr. Shani to manage all of the things that you have to do and you must to do, and to report your progress, every week or every periodically, so that it holds your feet to the fire, so that you do exactly what you're supposed to control your diabetes.